Shut up. I don't care what my hair looks like. You're so mean to me. Stop laughing. Such a retard. That's better. Stuff, you freaks. Hi. Oh my god, I am such a weirdo.
Oh, recording.
Maybe.
This is recording me doing my shoelaces. But yeah, this is pretty much shoelace swag here.
Shoelace swag.
Yeah. Is it even on? Hello, Emma.
Hi. Does it say recording?
Oh
Has it got the flashy button?
Alien. Alien.
Sorry.
Hello.
Hello. Goodbye.
That's a nice sexy face right there.
Callum. Wave. Hello, Dad.
Molly, this is what I vlog on. Okay, she's not.
Molly. Stan. Hello. No.
Hi.
Jack. Jack. Jack.
What?
Don't look.
Hello.
This is a business suite.
Oh, hey.
Eden. Eden, look. Hello.
Who? Oh, the cat and hats. Yeah.
Is that recording?
Yes.
Oh god.
Come on, Michael.
Hello.
Give us a wave, Brendan.
What?
Give us a wave. There you go. It stopped. What the fuck?
That's so zoomed in, that's horrible. What have you done?
Fuck off.
Where's my chair?
Ben! Bollocks.
Here it is. So we're in lesson, guys. And it's so boring doing about audio, so we have to choose a stupid fairy tale and write scripts.
Him in the show.
What one did you
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to Joseph.
What'd you say?
What one did you buy?
I bought that one.
I do!
What's the video called? What's the video?
That's got really funny music at the start. You should go check it out. I just went past you so they didn't see you. Okay, let's...
Dan, come here.
This has got epic music.
Where's his arms?
This might be copyright. Fucked it up now. Go on then, guys. Chicken nugget challenge.
Damn, man.
That's so spicy.
I'm left in your bag. Quite a few. I'm really not. All going into it.
Oh,
Four down.
I want Alien to win. So sexy. And then Brandon should come second because he's sexier.
Jack can't. Jack's not there. We have to leave this. He's struggling.
Oh, you should try gas pedaling again, Joe. That was so funny. Do you remember?
You're struggling, aren't you?
I think I had 11.
Oh, Jack.
Obviously.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. One more.
How?
Go on, just do it. Do it. Go on. You're gonna win.
Do it. Go on, you know you can do it. Do it for me.
Wait, this way. Please finish it.
You
Please.
know you love me. Sorry.
This way. Please finish first. Go on, Chew.
Go on, Alien.
Chew.
Lewis.
Please have your hand up and open your mouth.
Do it! Woohoo!
Go.
Yeah.
Go on second. Second.
Trying.
Second. Do it for me. I know you want to.
Yes.
It's going to be a long one.
I recorded vlog 7 here.
Are you?
I did. Like last year.
I'm going to start a YouTube channel.
But you don't want...
Film it. I'm going to start a YouTube channel, peoples.
You've already got a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm going to start videos.
Do it.
I will, yeah. I mean, I could do some collaboration.
And then me and you can, yeah, do like the Chubby Bunny Challenge and all that kind of stuff, and then we'll be famous.
How many more left? Are you on your last?
Go on, Joe.
Can't follow.
Come on, swallow it, mate. Come on.
Woohoo! Hand up.
Yeah.
Seconds.
Disgusting.
Lewis and Jack.
How many more have you got?
Oh, nearly. Jack's nearly done it. Woohoo! Lewis is last.
How the fuck did you eat them that fast?
I think you cheated.
Good job, everyone.
Oh, we were so close.
Lewis is last. Well done. Sorry, Lewis. Last. Shake my hand.
TV studio. It's like a newsroom. Actually, it's not. I don't know. Oh, hey! Is it this one? Or that? It's this one.
Alright, now the first one.
Yeah. Very nice.
Wait a minute, you can record yourself recording yourself.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Trippy, huh?
That is.
Oh, nice. I like the lighting.
That's the green screen.
Yeah, there's me
That image shows up on the
over there.
actually the green screen. That you see.
Wait a minute, there's one camera so you can record yourself, recording yourself while recording yourself.
Yeah, I know.
Oh man.
So cool.
Hello, YouTube. Would you like to see the contents of my bag? A notebook for my media work.
And
There's Ryan.
another.
Bye.
You alright? You alright?
My tummy piercing.
You forgot? I forgot.
It's good to see you, man.
You alright?
Yeah.
Good.
They can see the back of your head.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
Hey.
Oh, what's this? Is your vlog or something like that?
Daily life.
Oh, right.
And that's zoomed in. Anyway,
You alright?
I am now that you're here.
Oh.
Hi, YouTube.
Really?
That's really close.
Yeah, I don't want that much.
Here I am, just trying to wait for my dad because, you know, he's picking me up. I had a pretty cool day today, actually. It was pretty interesting. So yeah, it was fun. Really enjoyable. So my dad's here now. I can't really vlog in the car when my dad's here because, you know, he doesn't like it and he doesn't agree with it and stuff, but oh well, you know. So, and my next vlog might be later, it might not be, I don't really know, and there are lots of people around here and they're judging me with this camera, so yeah, there are not so many people now anymore. I just got pedestrians everywhere and stuff, but my dad's here, so I'll talk to you guys later. Not really doing anything later, I just tell you what's for tea and stuff because I don't really know, so yeah, I'll see you later. Okay, bye! Well, when I say I'll see you later, I mean I'll see you in a second, but you will see me in a second, but I will see you later. If that makes sense, I don't really know if it makes sense or not. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go. So yeah. Anyway, I'm sorry for not recording much today. It's just loads of stuff happened, had loads of lessons, stuff like that really. Loads of boring stuff. What's going on with my camera? Hang on, let's have a look. Oh, okay, it's recording. That's alright then. It made a noise, so yeah. I'll see you guys later, and you'll see me in a sec. So yeah, that's cool. Back home now. I'm sorry there hasn't been many vlogs today. I've probably already said that. But oh well. Earlier today I actually dropped my camera and the batteries fell out and everything. It got chipped and I thought it was dead, but no, thank God it's alive, so it's okay. By the way, check out Jean-Luc. He's in my previous video, yesterday's video, so you should check him out because he's a really good singer. He does Slipknot as well. He's in a band. Well, not Slipknot. What you on about? He does screamo type of music. Sorry, duh. So yeah, if you're into screamo and stuff, you know, help him raise his channel, everything like that. I'll link Ryan. He's kind of saw Ryan earlier. Big shout out to him. Big shout out to Jean-Luc. Big shout out to Joseph, because and Callum and Lewis, they're just amazing. Like, all these people, just amazing, you know, complete my life. And daily, and just everyone is like, just make me so happy, and it's just great. So big shout out to you guys. I'll link some people like Jean-Luc and Ryan. I'll link them in the description, sorry. So yeah, you can check them out. That's it for today. What have I got for tea? I don't really know, but I guess you guys don't really care. Tomorrow I'm not doing anything. Tomorrow's Friday. Not doing anything. Saturday not really doing anything. Sunday not doing anything. So it's going to be a boring weekend, boring day. So I don't really know. Probably won't do a vlog tomorrow or over the weekend because, you know, it'll be pointless and nothing goes on. So yeah, I'm just warning you now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Adios.